all and welcome to the channel. Today I'm presenting you a good reason to be careful with cheap electronics. What we see here is a cheap car emergency starter kit. I opened this one for some battery maintenance. It has some lights, a compressor and most important a 17 ampere hours battery to jumpstart your car. At least that is what they claim.
So I did notice that on this 17 ampere hours battery, for some reason the bottom is loose. After checking, there's just a block of stone in there to make it heavy. Nothing more. You open this, there's an empty cabinet full of air. Say that's about a third of the battery.